With over 36,000 Amazon reviews, this is probably the most popular desk pad on the planet, at least in the Western world. But how does it perform? And how does it compare to a far more premium desk pad I've been using for years? Let's find out. Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing a simple but game-changing addition to any workspace, the YSAGI Leather Desk Pad Protector. If you're looking for a very affordable way to protect your desk, organize your space, and add a touch of style, this might be just what you need. Let's see how it holds up in real-world use. First up, let's talk about what you get. The YSAGI Desk Pad is made from waterproof polyurethane leather. It comes in multiple colors and sizes and features a non-slip backing to keep it firmly in place. The model I'm reviewing is the 31.5 by 17.7 inch version in a nice olive color, but I also have this nice gray color here as well. It's currently available in about a dozen different colors, and is available in 4 different sizes, all the way up to a 47.2 inch by 23.6 inch version. Now, while these are desk pads commonly used for, well, sitting on your desk underneath your laptop or keyboard, in a coffee mug or any other desk accessories you might have, I wanted to buy them for a different purpose. If I want to keep reviewing products on this channel, I wanted to have a bit more of a neutral and single color surface sitting on my desk here, where I can take videos of the products that I review. Unboxing is pretty straightforward. The pad comes rolled up with a handy strap for easy storage or travel. There it is. One thing I noticed, and others have mentioned, is that it can have some curl at the edges right out of the box. That's fine. Just lay it flat and put a few books on the corners, and it should settle down within a day or two. There's also a 30-day warranty from YSAGI, which gives you a customer email address to reach out to in case there's a problem with this desk pad. The material of this desk pad feels smooth and premium, almost like real leather, but it's actually high-quality synthetic. This makes it waterproof and super easy to clean. I've spilled a bunch of drinks, water, even threw down some sand, and it's really easy to clean. You can just wipe off the spills with a cloth and you're good to go. The non-slip backing of each of these pads, that you can see here, works really well to keep the pad in place, even when you're moving your laptop around or anything else on your desk quite vigorously. Let's see how it holds up against my movement test. So it takes a bit of pressure to get it to slip, so it's not perfect, but for everyday use, I think this is fine. Now, when it comes to the value, there's no question that these mats are extremely affordable. They usually hover between $11 to $15 on Amazon. And while they don't play in the same league as some other desk pads, let's have a look at how one of the YSAGIs compares to a more premium desk pad like the leather pad that I have sitting on my desk from Grovemade. This is the matte desk pad from Grovemade in the medium plus size, and it retails for around $100. I've been using this desk pad for 4 years, and as you can see, it's got a bit of wear to it now. That said, you can see how the thickness and cork backing compares to the YSAGI. Let's do a quick sliding comparison test. In terms of texture and feel, the YSAGI is quite nice, and it doesn't feel exactly like real leather, but it's close enough. The Grovemade, it's just in a different league. You can tell immediately that this is premium leather. So there's no question that while the YSAGI is a nice budget product, it simply doesn't compare in quality to the Grovemade. But are you willing to pay what is 8 to 10 times premium on the Grovemade pad while you could buy 8 different color options of the YSAGI? I guess that's a choice I leave up to you. I also purchased another incredibly popular desk pad recently on Amazon. I'll be comparing that in my next video. So, what's it like to use this desk pad every day? Here's what I found. terms of desk protection, it does a really great job from keeping your desk nice and free from scratches, stains, and even some of the heat that can come from laptops, especially if you're using a PC laptop, which tends to run hotter than most MacBooks. In terms of mouse performance, while I don't normally use a mouse, I did test it using a Logitech mouse, which ran over the surface smoothly and had no tracking issues. If you write directly on paper over the pad, be gentle. I discovered that pressing hard can cause your pen or pencil to go through the paper because of the softness of these pads. So it's probably best just for light writing or note taking if you're writing directly onto paper with no backing. In terms of versatility, yeah, the pad is big enough for your laptop, mouse, phone, even a notebook. It instantly tidies up your workspace and adds a really nice professional look. Okay, let's talk about the pros and cons. First, the pros. It's affordable, stylish, it's waterproof and easy to clean, has a fairly decent non-slip backing, it's flexible, as you can see, and it's quite portable. Not that a desk pad needs to be portable. And of course, it's available in multiple sizes and colors. As for the cons, one of the first things that I noticed is that when I pulled it out of the box, it had a pretty strong odor. Obviously, that fades over time. It obviously can curl at the edges as well, but you can flatten it out pretty nicely. It's also not ideal for heavy writing, as the pen can go through thin paper pretty easily. The other thing I would say is that overall it's fairly thin compared to more premium desk pads, so just know that going in. So, is the YSAGI leather desk pad protector worth it? Well, for the price, it's a pretty fantastic upgrade for your workspace. And you can most likely afford to buy a few different colors to switch things up from time to time. It definitely protects your desk, looks great, and is super easy to maintain. So if you're looking for a simple way to add style and function to your office or home setup, this is a solid choice. All right, if you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest and hands-on reviews of desk accessories like this one. Have you tried the YSAGI Desk Pad or another brand? Let me know your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.